Glitterbels, welcome back. So if you guys want to stay tuned and watch how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I'm just showing you guys what I'm going to be using, and I am going to be using my crystal clear from Valentino and my odorless monomer from Glitterbels that is activated with LED lamp, and the rose gold collection from Fantasy Nails. I did purchase this in eBay, and usually every time that I see it up there, it just sells out real quick. So I'll try to leave the link down below in the description box. So I am using my Beauty Galleria number 4 because I do have very tiny nail beds, and I tend to use this brush only whenever I'm doing nail art or just like doing the infill part. For capping my nails, I am going to be using my Beauty Galleria number 12. Yes, Kalinsky brush. And right now I'm using the shade Rosa Castilla, and it's such a beautiful shade, you guys. I really like it. I just felt like maybe because it was a longer nail that I needed to add more pigment, more acrylic onto the nail bed so it could, you know, bring out that color that I was looking for. And I am going to be using, what is it? Petalo Gold from Fantasy Nail, the collection as well. And then I'll be back, you guys. I'll let you guys enjoy the video for right now. Once again, over here I am capping my nail with my Bucaleria number 12 Kolinsky brush, and I am using my Valentino crystal clear acrylic. And then I am going to be adding some crystals and stuff like that I purchased off of eBay. They're just your little generic kind of crystals. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and if you do subscribe, make sure you guys hit that little bell to get notified whenever I do upload new videos. Bye, you guys.